So we've looked at three different molecules, methane, ammonia, and water. Each of these has a central atom that has 4 electron pairs around that central atom. And what I want you to know is, regardless of what the molecule is, for example, if we have a complex molecule, we can just look at one small section of it. If a central atom has 4 outer atoms around it, bonded to it, with no lone pairs on that central atom, that shape is going to be a tetrahedral with bond angles of 109.5. If that central atom has 3 outer atoms and one lone pair, then the bond angles are going to be less than 109.5, and the overall shape is going to be trigonal pyramidal. And if the central atom has 2 outer atoms and 2 lone pairs, then the bond angle will be less than 109.5 and the shape will be bent. We want to remember those lone pairs repel more effectively than bonding electrons. And just a summary of how we represent molecules. Chemists use different ways to represent molecules depending on the context, and you've got to be familiar with all of those. Sometimes the chemical formula is sufficient. To get to a 2D structure, we need a Lewis dot structure, and then sometimes the 3D structure is more effective, and the space filling model gives us the most detail of all.